Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'll demonstrate how to resolve issues when you're unable to launch the Hot Wheels Unleashed 2 Turbocharged game from either the Xbox app or the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Firstly, let's check if there's any outage by visiting a link provided in the video description, which directs you to the Xbox website where you can verify the Xbox Live status. If there's an outage, you'll see it displayed here. If there's no outage, the next step is to disconnect any external devices you're not using, such as racing wheels or controllers, and unplug any additional USB adapters. Try launching the game on a single monitor. Close any unnecessary third-party applications, including overlay apps like Discord or GeForce Experience, and overclocking software like MSI Afterburner. Perform a clean boot by accessing the system configuration and disable all non-Microsoft services. Also, close any online storage applications like OneDrive or Google Drive. If you've overclocked your computer, revert it to default settings. If the issue persists, restart your computer and then run the Gaming Services Repair tool from the Xbox website or the Xbox box. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date by downloading and installing the latest version from the NVIDIA or AMD website, depending on your GPU. Verify and repair the game files through the Xbox app and create a desktop shortcut to launch the game as an administrator. If the problem persists, repair or reset the game through the Windows settings and ensure your system's date, time zone, and region settings are accurate. Install any pending updates in the Microsoft Store and ensure your Windows OS is up to date by checking for updates in the Windows settings. Run the wres-reset command, repair or reset the Xbox app, and if needed, reset the Microsoft Store. Lastly, start all necessary services such as IP Helper, Xbox Services, Windows Update, and Gaming Services from the Services menu in Windows.